I will now show you how to create a Copilot Studio agent and embed it to a custom website. So let's create a new agent. I'll skip the configure, create. Alright, let me show you first. I cannot create directly the custom website agent. Let's wait a bit. There it is. I have to change authentication settings. So I go to this route, settings, authentication, here in security. And I can go ahead and go to with no authentication, but be careful because everyone could use the agent. So the best is to use authenticate manually. Require the users to sign in to use it, and um, I'll show you how to create the API to fill client ID and client secret.
In the follow steps, we see the necessary information to use it in the agent. So we go to the Azure portal and click on app registrations or search the module in the search resource service and docs. So in this case, I'm going to click on app registration. So click on new registration. In this case, I'm going to write the name of the API. So in this case, I'm going to click on register. Okay, we need to save the next important information. So we need the client ID. Copy this. Oh, we need to copy the tenant ID too. Okay. Now the next step is going to the manage section in the authentication option. Click on this. So will appear the next screen. So we need to click on add app platform. And now click on web. In this pane, we need to copy some URLs from the Microsoft documentation. In this case, this is the URL and for this. In the section of the add the redirected URL, just to need copy this URL and paste it in the first input in Azure API. Paste in to the front channel logo URL is go back to the documentation and copy the HTTPs, this URL. And paste it. for the select the tokens you would like to be issued by the authentication endpoint, we need to select the both options and click on configure. Okay. The next step, sorry, we need to generate a password for the APIs. So we need to click on certificates and secrets and click on new secret. So just to write the description for this secret. Click on expires and just I'm going to choose the last option in this dropdown and click on add. So it's very necessary to copy the secret and paste it in a place. Okay. So the next step, we need to add the permissions to the API. So click on API permissions, click on add a permission. We are going to select the Microsoft Graph. So select the delegated permissions. I need to search the permissions called open AS and profile, this and this one. So click on add permissions. Just to confirm, I'm going to click on grant admin consent for shareables. Click on yes, and we can see the granted permission, the permissions was granted for this. So the next step, we need to expose an API. I'll click on expose an API. Click on add a scope, save and continue. Okay, in this case, I'm going to write the scope for this API. I'll click on add scope. Okay. So we finished to the configuration of the API. So we need to go back to the agent.
Alright, now that we have our client ID and client secret, we'll just paste them, client ID, client secret, and hit save. It's saving. Alright. The agent does not have any special description or general instructions. So we'll just go ahead and publish it. Let's wait a bit. While it is being published, I'll show you the HTML. It's just a simple HTML with nothing on it. And here we will paste the embedded code that will generate the Copilot Studio. Go to Channels, Custom Website, and this is now enabled. Just copy the iframe segment, iframe and iframe. This is where it ends. Copy. Alright, and I will paste it here. I think I copied everything. I just want the iframe. Iframe, Control C. Alright, excellent. In this test HTML, I will change the width to be 50% and the height I will hard code 650 pixels. You do not have to do that, it's just for this test. I'll save it and I'll run the test. This is the test. It starts loading. And there it is, the agent one. This is the agent that we created. It asks me to log in before I can do anything else. I click login. I have to log in. I'm already logged in this browser. So I just copy this code, paste it here, and send it. You have to paste it here on the chat, and it authenticates you, and you can start messaging it. I repeat, this agent does not have any special order to show. It just does not have any general instructions. So we will test it with a general question. And this is what we get. There it is. Thank you. See you next time.